can't let you go without showing you cell block D. It's where we house our most serious.
What is this?
disturbing
What is that?
patients.
The captions? I think it's like all in
In particular,
English.
cell 13 is very fascinating.
What in the
Take a look
asylum? Oh. Oh hell nah. Lisa? That's Vixi, right? What the fuck? Ooh. 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 Hey. Hey. Oh. Wait, what the? A heart? Oh, the animation. Oh, she going off. All different versions of her. Whoa. What the hell? Don't take out the oh, okay. I thought you said you pull the tongue off. Ooh, oh, she look like a bad bitch. Hey, 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 hey. Yo, Lisa, that she a star, bro. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah. What?
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear. Calvin Klein, bitch.